All right, all right, all right. Here we go. So basically, I'm going to show you how to upload a video from Screencastify into your YouTube channel directly from Screencastify. All right. So basically, after you make a video, you're going to come to this screen, right? This should look familiar to you. From this screen, you could upload it straight to YouTube. There's a couple different ways, and depending on what you want to do, that you could upload it straight to YouTube. First way is that if you do not want to edit it and you're good to go, you made the video, you just want to upload it right away, okay? You're simply going to come to this page after you make your video. You're going to scroll down, hit export video, export to YouTube, okay? Now, if you don't have a channel connected, it'll say that and it'll say add a channel. So you just add your channel based on your account, all right? Then you could change it to private, public, or unlisted, okay? And then I would give it a title, okay? YouTube class, whatever you want to. Oh, that's the wrong keyboard. I'm so crazy. And I can't even spell. All right, YouTube. I'll just put YouTube, whatever. All right, and then you're just gonna hit upload. Once you upload it, okay, it's gonna tell you when it's finished, and then the next step that you would have to do. Okay, you could either view it on YouTube, copy the link, whatever. But if you want to add a thumbnail and add other settings to your video, you simply go to your channel content based on the fact that you should have this already bookmarked, channel content. You're going to go there, okay, and then let's see, it should be there soon. All right. The computer is slow. There it is right there. From here, okay, you're just going to simply hit the button, the pencil to edit it. And then from there, you're going to add your thumbnails, right? You could rename it. You could add your thumbnail. You could add it to a playlist, and you just hit save. And then your video will be completed, okay? So there's two steps. Upload it from here, and then edit it in here, okay? Now, let's say you wanted to edit your YouTube video, then put it to YouTube. All you have to do is simply hit open an editor, okay? Now keep in mind this creates a different file from your original one, okay? There's another video on how to edit. I'm not going to go over that right now, but basically once you're done editing it, you would hit export. Now the cool thing is, the new update is, you could export it straight back to Screencastify. So in the past, you could only export it as an MP4, which means you would have to export it, it would download, and then you would have to go back to your YouTube channel, hit create, and then click upload, okay? And then select the file. Not a huge thing, but now you could actually export it straight back to Screencastify, okay? After you make your changes, you're going to export it back. Remember, you're going to have to name it again. So just name it whatever you want. Okay, then hit save, and it's going to bring you right back to that screen that we were just at, for the part that I showed you how to upload it straight to YouTube without editing it, right? So now if you edit it, you can upload it straight back to Screencastify, and from here, bada boom, export video to YouTube, okay? That's the two ways you could do it straight from Screencastify, okay? Now, let's say that you don't want to upload it right to YouTube right away. You just made the video, you want to go grab some coffee, and then something happens, the dog is running around, I don't know, whatever, right? And you want to do it later. That is no issue at all because, right, you could always hit your Screencastify extension, hit the hamburger up here, right? And then it'll bring you to the screen in which all your videos are. Right. Now, obviously, I'm recording right now, so it wouldn't look like this. But the original part where you click on the arrow and it has, "Do you want to record?" Blah blah blah. There's a hamburger on top left. You just go to My Recordings, okay, and then you would simply pick the recording that you just did, okay, and then it would bring you to the screen. So you could always go back to the video, okay. Any questions? Contact us.